This video shows you how to install your Ring Spotlight Cam battery. Let's take a look at the parts of your Spotlight Cam battery. Here's the camera, the speaker, the lights, and the motion sensor, the mounting plate, and the mounting bracket. This is the removable battery. Your Spotlight Cam only needs one, but you can add a second battery to extend battery life and avoid downtime while charging. Before installing, fully charge the battery. Plug the charging cable into the battery. While charging, both the red and green lights are illuminated. When only the green light is on, the battery is fully charged. Next, slide the battery into its compartment. You'll feel a slight click when the battery is secure. Then, close the battery door. This may take some pressure, but you'll hear a click when it closes, so you'll know it's secure. Open the Ring app and tap the Setup Device button. Choose Security Cams and select Spotlight Cam Battery. Then you can follow the in-app instructions to complete setup. Once you've finished setup in the Ring app, your Spotlight Cam may start flashing white and say that it's updating. If this happens, wait until it stops flashing before installing your Spotlight Cam. After setup is complete, select your Spotlight Cam in the Ring app and tap the Live View button to see live video from your Spotlight Cam. If everything looks good, take it outside to the install location. Give it about a minute to come back online. Then tap the Live View button to access live video from your Spotlight Cam again. If the video quality still looks great, go ahead and install your Spotlight Cam. If you see video quality issues at the install location, see if you can find a suitable install location that is nearer to your router. You can also extend your Wi-Fi signal with a Ring Chime Pro. The optimal install height for a Spotlight Cam is about 9 feet or 3 meters above the ground. At this height, with the motion detector parallel to the ground, Spotlight Cam is optimized to detect human-sized objects at up to 30 feet away. Spotlight Cam can be mounted on a wall or an eave simply by changing the orientation of the mounting plate. To do this, first open the battery door by pressing the button on the back. Then remove the security screw and the weather seal. Then press the release button and slide the mounting plate out. To mount on the wall, insert the mounting plate with the ball pointing down. To mount on an eave, insert the mounting plate with the ball pointing up. Next, firmly close the battery door until you hear a click. Insert the weather seal and tighten the security screw to lock the plate in place. Once you've chosen your mounting position, mark the screw holes using the bracket as a template. If you're mounting your Spotlight Cam to a masonry surface, such as stucco or brick, use the provided drill bit to drill the holes, then insert the included wall anchors. If you're installing on a wood surface, you can screw the mounting screws directly into your wall. Pop your Spotlight Cam into the bracket, then point it in the desired direction. When you're happy with the position, tighten the screw on the side of the bracket to lock it in place. Your Spotlight Cam battery is now ready to use. If you need additional help, visit ring.com/help.